So it's Saturday morning. We are heading over to Emerald Bay where we're going to do the Rubicon hike. It's supposed to be beautiful down there. It's a little trail out and back to a Viking castle, actually. So we're pretty excited to see that.
Yeah, and it's pretty cold too. It got down to the 20s last night, although it's looking like it's about 50 degrees right now. I'm low-key hoping that we see some wildlife, maybe a cougar from a distance or a bear, maybe a Sasquatch, who knows.
We're excited to hike it. It's our first time down there, so we'll see what it's all about. And then after that, we're heading up to Eagle Falls, which is supposed to be another beautiful hike up to a waterfall. So we'll see how it is.
As you can see below, that's Fannette Island. It's the only island here in Lake Tahoe, and it's also a cool little fact is, if you can see, there's a little building on top. It's actually a tea house. So we're here at the dock off of the Vikingsholm Trail.
We made it down to the beach.
It's pretty awesome. The water is definitely Tahoe blue, like they say.
It's super clear. You can see the bottom from here.
As you can see, it is very clear. So we're off to the castle and we'll see you there. So we're here at the Eagle Falls trailhead. Decent hike. I mean, it's not terribly long from Vikingsholm's Trail, but it's definitely uphill and it's going to make you breathe a little bit. Well-traveled trail. You're not going to be alone out here. And it's good. I'm excited to trek our way back and see what else we can find.
So we're here at the Red Hut Cafe, celebrating our hike with some yummy Bloody Marys. Cheers! Cheers.